Hey everybody, Michaela here from Ascend Smarter Intervention with my wonderful assistant. Say hi, Landon.
Hi.
Today we are going to go through our sound drill. You ready to jump in? All right, so in the sound drill, you're going to present the student with a card that has different letter or letter combinations, phonograms on it, and they're going to produce the sound or sounds that those letters make. So I just want you to tell me what this letter says. What is that?
Yeah. What? Oh.
Let's do this one more time. Awesome.
Until the W.
Yeah, we got a little confused because we were going fast. That was an awesome job, though, bud. As students progress through their literacy instruction, you can also add in additional cards. That way, as you get through different phonograms like CK or TCH, or any vowel teams, AI, EE, all of those, you should be adding those into your sound drill as well and drilling the students on them every single week. I typically even send it home with my students and tell them run through it once a day with mom or dad, just to keep those phonograms fresh. All right, are you ready to move on?
Mm-hmm.
All right.